Pride Mobility, the world's leader in premium mobility products, is thrilled to introduce the GoGo Carbon Folding Scooter. A mobility scooter that offers you exceptional portability, a modern look, and a lightweight solution designed to make every journey worry-free. With a full carbon fiber frame, rims, and telescoping tiller, this scooter weighs in at a remarkable 35 pounds without its lithium battery. The GoGo Carbon folds down into a compact bundle in just seconds and with a few simple steps. Once folded, it can be towed like luggage, and thanks to its compact size, it fits into car trunks and other tight spaces. Utilizing NFC technology, the GoGo Carbon starts up with a quick tap of its key fob and offers users enhanced security for their unit. Its console features a vibrant color display with clear information that you need to ensure a phenomenal mobility experience. Offering a 300-pound weight capacity, a top speed of 3.7 miles per hour, and a driving range of up to 10 miles per charge. Powered by an airline-compliant lithium battery, the GoGo Carbon is sure to get you where you need to go with lightweight ease. Regain your mobility freedom and independence with the GoGo Carbon Folding Scooter by Pride Mobility. Call Automobility Store today for more details. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.